Hey guys, in today's video, I'm back with another Auric video. We're testing out some new shades she has launched in Glow Lust and the Smoke Effect eyeshadows. As you can see, we're gonna be doing this like olive smoky eye, but I'm gonna use the red underneath it to do a holiday, just to test out both colors and do a holiday like theme thing. But I'm so excited. And we have a new shade of Glow Lust, which I'm gonna do second after I finish the eyes off. I'm gonna put on my foundation together and then finish off the eyes with some more smoke effect. If you want to see my whole breakdown of Glow Lust and the smoke effects, please go up here and yeah. That's where it is. I break down the formula, the wear tests, everything like that. And spoiler alert, if you haven't seen that video, I'll wait. Hold on. Go click on that video before I spoil it. Alright, so my other smoke effect shadows are like so beat up because I use Defiance like every time I do my makeup. Like, I'm so serious. Like, I feel like no other eyeshadow or no other eyeshadow topper beats how dimensional Sam's are. And like, I literally, if I do a makeup look, I'm like, okay, it has to be like this. And there's only a few other formulas that are like as dimensional and glittery as this. But if my lids ain't this glittery, I don't want it. Like, literally, that's what I've been doing and I can't. She has me addicted to cream shadow with a topper. Like, it's so easy. And this is what I've been doing every day. This is more so like, more bold, but we're gonna finish it off. So yeah. But before we get into this, you should subscribe and like this video if you like this video at any point of the video, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a video. Please, before 2021 is over, get me to 2,000 followers. I know it's not a lot, but it's a lot for me, and it will be an accomplishment and a goal. That's what my goal is. So I just need about 900 more and I'm there. So if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe at the button down below. If not, it's okay, but thank you anyways. Okay, so I know this is probably, let me turn my exposure down. I'm not used to, I know I said that I'm not gonna have the braids anymore, but I have the braids back because I'm going to Vegas next week, the 1st through the 6th. So you might see this when I'm in Vegas. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to get it up before Vegas, but this is probably the eye I'll do for my dinner date at the Eiffel Tower restaurant with my man. So I don't know, but we're going for this brown liner. I'm wearing like this, I'll put this on the screen. Like, I'm wearing this dress right here to our dinner with, I put the boots up there, like the heels. I'm wearing that. So, and my nails match it. There's like brown in here and then the sweater, and I just got these done, so I'm not trying to mess them up. So yeah, we're trying to be cohesive. So I feel like this will go with the outfit. It's like sultry date night, like, a little bit sexy. So I thought I would practice this today. Okay, let's stop the rambling and just get right into it. Okay, so for like the crease, actually I should prime my lid first, huh? I think so. My P. Louise base is packed up and the MAC wasn't working out for me for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, I store it upside down, but it's just, I don't know. It's probably because I haven't done any makeup in a while. So I'm using the Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base like I used to always. I use this sometimes at my boyfriend's house because I don't feel like bringing my P. Louise back and forth. But we're just gonna prime because, I'm having an eczema breakout on my lids. And that's probably why I've been using so much cream shadow, because it doesn't lift up all of this nasty skin that's like on my eyes, and it just makes me feel better about myself. This is like literally almost empty. I used to love this stuff. It's like $3. Highly recommend. I really like it still, but I just started using P. Louise base in my paint pot to be different. So, and then basically I'm just gonna blend that out. Nothing more, nothing less. I got it all over my fingers and I'm trying not to do that. I'm using, this is a Sigma Precision Bake brush, which I use to blend out around my eyebrows and my eyelid, and it just works so perfectly. I just love this brush so much. Whenever I'm in Orlando, I be missing this brush so much. I might purchase another one to keep over there if they still have it. Not sure, but I really like this brush for around my eyebrows. I cannot live without it. Okay, now on to this palette. So I'm using the Pixie X Tina Young palette, and I use this color, and this color in the crease, which is this is crease, this is daily dose, and this one is depth. So basically we're creating a crease. So I'm just gonna pop those in my crease really quickly, and I'm using the Morphe 330 brush, which I don't know what is up with this brush, but like the hairs are falling out. It's getting in my eye. Like, I poke myself in the eye with this. Like, I don't know, I guess I was just excited to get into the new Auric eyeshadows because I've been like waiting for them in the mail, and when they came I was actually sick, not with the C word, but just had upset stomach and stuff, and I couldn't get them and all that stuff. But we'll be going into both shades today, as well as, you know, Sunstone, because it just looks so good. Basically, this is all I did with my eyeshadow, and then I just popped some of this Laura Geller highlighter on my brow bone, because I just wanted to get to Auric so bad. And honestly, I love how, like, Auric smoke effects make me feel like I did something, but still let me be lazy. Like, it's just simple and easy, and I freaking love them. Literally, this is what I use all the time. Okay, so the first shade, I'll put like close-ups on the screen, but first, look. I got long nails and I can get it up. Thank you, Sam. Sam, if you love me, you'd send me, like, you know, new you know, just these. I just need this for my other 3, because this was the most satisfying thing ever. Like, I still struggle every single time, but like, look, the tab, I'm so appreciative of tab. You don't understand. I just need new tabs. I need new lids, discs. I need new discs. So Sam, you know, see, like, look, ooh, that's all I needed, and thank you so much for adding that, because I still struggle with the ones that I use, but I use them every day still. It doesn't keep me from doing that, but I see you, girl. But okay, we're using the shade Entice. Color is just, it's different. I love the gold reflect in both the cream, and I love the type of gold she used in the topper, in the shadow part. Like, I love, they're different. I have a lot of olive green, but nothing like these two together or separate. I'm obsessed. So we're just gonna take our finger. Actually, we're gonna take a brush because I don't want to mess up my nails. I did use a finger on this one, but I'm gonna take this brush. This is the Morphe M433, and we are going to just, you know, because I think last time I used my finger, but they work good both ways. Like, I use the topper with my finger a lot more than I do the cream, but I love both with the finger. The finger just does something different. It like melts it into your skin a lot more and brings out the reflect, but I just needed that first layer to be added on with the brush because I don't want to mess up my nails. So I do have a matte sweater nail, and I've already messed it up almost. I had to go wash it with Dawn dish soap. So yeah, I'm obsessed. It blends so good. Ain't nothing like an Auric smoke reflect. Nothing at all in the world. But we're gonna take the top of Entice, and we are, look at that. Oh, the white, like, look at that. The white packaging, I understand what you say. The white packaging just hits different, Sam. Like, I can't get enough of these. Like, I didn't think I was gonna fall in love with these, honestly, if I'm gonna be honest, because like cream eyeshadows were like my worst fear. When I fell in love with these, it was very unexpected, but I'm obsessed, especially with this color. Like, you see how much I'm loving green? Like, green this year is just very, I feel like it's mature. It's a mature color green, like olive green and emerald green, and I feel my maturity kicking in with it. So yeah, but yeah, so I'm gonna pop on some liquid liner, which I'm using the Kylie brown eyeliner from her like last brand. I don't know how to word that, but before she rebranded. Yeah, hold on, I can't do this and talk at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna put a picture up here of like the 3 that I have. The top one is Pyrite, the middle one is Sunstone, and the last one is Citrine, I believe. But they are very different. The undertones are different, but they are all 3 something that I use because we got my winter shade, we got my normal shade, and we got my tan shade. So these 3 are what I have, and I will be testing out the middle one. You see on camera how different they are because they all are really different. This is more olive, this is more neutral, this is more warm, and I feel like my skin tone changes throughout the year pretty much all the time. So we're gonna be using, I live in Florida, so we have summer like all year. But right now, it's cold outside. But we're gonna be using Sunstone, which I have not put this on my face yet. But this foundation, I have a love-hate relationship with it. Like, I love the finish, but I don't like how dry it is. So we're gonna mix Sunstone in with it to see if I like it better. I'm very nervous about this, but I liked it a lot. Like, I liked a matte foundation when I did reviews the first time more, and I always pair that matte foundation with Glow Lust, so I figured that it would do it with this too. So this is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in the shade Stromboli Medium 3, and I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand and try not to get it. It's very liquidy. It's way more liquidy than I thought it would be. It's like, that's the color of it. And then I'm gonna put some of Glow Lust into it. Hopefully it shears it out some as well, because it's really thick, y'all. Like it's full coverage, and sometimes I don't want all that full coverage, so I'm just gonna mix it together on the back of my hand, and hopefully this like makes it okay. And they say that this foundation don't oxidize, but this foundation oxidizes, but I still love it. Like once it's blended out, it's fine. I'm gonna use a brush today because I'm being very lazy, y'all. So I'm just gonna use a brush today and pounce it in my skin. Oh, I forgot how fast this dries down. I'm mad that I put it all over my face. Okay, we're working fast today. Okay, so Glow Lust did make it seem a little bit less matte, which I'm happy about, because I do like this foundation. I like the foundation color. I like how lightweight it is. Like I've been testing it out multiple times, but I just didn't like how dry it was, because I'm having an eczema breakout, like I said, and it's just not doing it for me. So I wanted to test it out with Glow Lust, and Glow Lust did what I thought it would do, thankfully. So this $40 foundation won't go to waste. I'll just have to mix it with Glow Lust, which I don't mind doing at all, you know? Sorry if it looks like a different color. In real life, it's not like, you know, so bright. It's not, I promise. It's just that the light's bouncing off of it. This is my color, but I'm having issues today. Probably this espresso that I drank, because I didn't have anything to eat with it, like a silly person. But this looks so much better with Glow Lust mixed in. Like it's definitely not as dry. 100% not as dry. Like that is the key to this, mixing it with something that will not be so drying. Like I love the NARS matte. Like I love that foundation. It's just, it's dry. Like after you set it, it just becomes so freaking dry. And that's my issue with that foundation. But Glow Lust made it better, as always. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on my foundation. My concealer, setting powder, bronzer, blush, and then we're gonna highlight with Pyrite, just because, you know, I don't feel like Sunstone. I feel like Sunstone is perfect for me to mix into my foundation, but I feel like Pyrite is what I need to highlight with. Okay, so now we're gonna put Pyrite on a sponge. Actually, we're gonna contour first. 1 second, I'll be right back. I forgot. Okay, so now that my face is blushed, bronzed, and everything else, we're gonna put the shade Pyrite on the back of my hand like I did last time, and pretty much bounce it in with a sponge. I really love this shade as a highlighter. It is like so, like it's intense, but it like meshes in the skin super well. It is just so pretty. Like Pyrite is amazing, and it doesn't leave this cast on my face at all. So great, very thankful, because that happens to me all the time, because my skin is like so neutral but olive at the same time. So it's like whenever I need it to not do that, it does that. So, but if you want like an in-depth, like what I feel like it feels like on my face, definitely go watch my video from whenever she launched, because I went in depth. Okay, so we're highlighted with Pyrite. So next, the moment I've been waiting for is getting into this this wine color, this cranberry color. It is called Disrupt, and I love this color. I'm gonna put the cream part on the bottom, and look. I can open it. That don't ever get old to me because of how much I struggled in that video. But let's see, a brush. That's what I need. We're gonna be taking this Makeup of the Day Sultry Smudge brush, since we're gonna smudge it on our bottom lashes. I know. It's gonna be very Christmas, but we're testing out both shades, and it's a holiday collection, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna put some of this up underneath here. These shades go so good together, I just gotta say that right now. I am obsessed with this already. This is really pretty. Like, I haven't swatched these yet. I'll do the swatches after I do the video, but oh my gosh. A blending brush that has nothing on it. This is like one of the holiday Luxie mini angled brushes. I'm gonna blend this out. My skin, where I put the Glow Lust, it looks like skin. It doesn't look cakey. So I think that might be the trick with the foundation that I used. Okay, so that's blended out. So now we're gonna take the topper of Disrupt, and take off the sticky thing. It's so pretty. It's like a peachy pink and then like cranberry. It's just so good. And then we're gonna put that on the bottom lash line as well, on top of it. I can't really see. Oh, there's a mirror right here, duh. Oh yes, this is pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. Sam, you went holiday, but you did something so much more. It's different. It is so different. I'm so obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I really, really love these 2 shades. I'm excited for what you're gonna come out with next. I'm ready to see like a plum. I'm ready to see a plum, and I'm ready to see like, you know what I want? My dream smoke reflex shade is like a brown base with, you know what, that blue, teal, brown shift. That would be so pretty because that's gonna be my everyday, because these are my everyday. Like once I get like if you come out with more shades, and it's over for every other eyeshadow palette. Y'all just finna be in the crease until you come out eyeshadow palette. If you do, it's over. But okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face and come back and stop rambling on about how much I love these and love these shades and how beautiful they are. So this is the finished look with the new Auric products, and I am obsessed. I feel so holiday. I feel like I really went in with the glam, but not really. It was really effortless, and I really love that about her brand. So again, I have a video linked down below of my original first impression of the brand. This video is just playing around with new shades and seeing what my thoughts are. I really love the shade Sunstone. I don't know why I forgot that. But I really love the shade Sunstone. I feel like it matches my undertone so much better. Not like better as in, oh, the other one didn't do something. But I'm saying like Sunstone is like literally my foundation shade in a bottle, but it's a luminizer. So yeah, but I really love Pyrite still for highlighting. Like, look at that. You can't get this nowhere else. Look at like the dimension in the eyes. You can't get that nowhere else. And I love both shades. I should have brought out Defiance to pair it with it, but I just really wanted to focus on these 2 colors, and Defiance is already packed away for my Vegas bag, so these are about to go in there with it along with Sunstone and Pyrite. So yeah, but again, you guys gotta check out her brand because I feel like she did that. I totally feel like she did that. Okay, so yeah, so let me know in the comments down below if you purchased any of Auric like at all, and tell me what your thoughts are. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.